Alright guys, it's been a minute. I went on vacation and I thought I was going to be able to trade on vacation, but was not able to. So a lot has happened since then. Um, wasn't posting trade recaps, but I do now have an Apex account that I have passed. I have yet to trade though. Just want to let you guys know that we passed this Apex account, and then we just hit a $715 trade on this new Top Step account. So yes, I did blow an account while I was gone, but I have a past account now that I'm waiting to pay for to open. And yeah, I'll describe what went through my mind. This was honestly probably a riskier trade because of this shitty price action, but basically we swept this internal low and then shot right up, tapping into this 1 hour fair value gap. And this 1 hour fair value gap was going to determine how I really traded today. Was unsure. I did like longs, but we also had multiple draws on sell side liquidity as well. So this 1 hour gap was the reason why I took this trade. But if we come down to the 1 minute, I was waiting for retracement into this 5 minute gap right here, and also a tap on equilibrium, but we never got that. So then what did happen is, let's move this back. We inversed this 1 hour fair value gap right here. This was tweaked a little bit. And then we entered off this candle closure right here. This was like the entry. We were only in drawdown for this time. But we inversed this 1 hour fair value gap, confirming to me at least that we wanted to keep going higher and target these draws on buy side liquidity. And then when we hopped in this trade, we were on the 5 minute, and I was watching ES. I was watching to see how it reacted. ES played out great because this little bit of drawdown is when ES came in and filled that 5 minute fair value gap right here. And it played perfectly. It tapped in and kept going. That's what we wanted to see. And my last take profit was probably these highs right here, but ES tapped these highs, so I just closed my position. Our first take profit was right here at this high. We then did move to break even. We took 3 contracts off, moved to break even. And yeah, this was the trade. We were in this trade a lot longer than I normally am in trades, but it ended up playing nice. So yeah, honestly, I got home yesterday, so great first day back. Sorry for not posting. I went on a cruise and I bought Wi-Fi, but the Wi-Fi couldn't even open Top Step or TradingView, so wasn't able to trade for a week. And it seemed like a pretty good week that I missed. I missed last week, but great way to come back. And yeah, no, I'm really excited. I think I'm going to be opening this live account pretty soon. I want to do more on Apex, but at the same time, some of my friends are scaring me with like the payout and the rules and stuff. So honestly, not sure yet. I know Top Step's pretty reliable. So we're going to see what happens. I think when I pass this account is when I'm going to make the decision on which one I want to activate. But yeah, great first day back. Made $715 today. And yeah, no. Let's see if we go to tomorrow. Tomorrow we should be trading. But yeah, I'm gonna see. You guys know I bought the camera. I bought it on vacation with me. But I didn't vlog too much. I told you guys I was, but I honestly enjoyed my vacation rather than vlogging. So unfortunately, I don't have anything for you guys there. I also wanted to do like trade recaps while I was on the boat, but I couldn't even trade. So again, I'm sorry for that, you guys. I'm gonna be trying to get more content than just these recaps going, but again, I'm learning how to use a camera. I'm learning how to edit and all that. So it's just gonna take a little longer than I thought it was, but yeah. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.